This is Nina at ForeignMRE.com. I just gave you guys a quick little tour of the pick room. Some of the shelves are empty, some of them are kind of empty, and that's because you guys rock. We had an awesome Christmas, and we hope that there were a lot of ForeignMRE.com rations under a lot of trees all over the world. We shipped to Australia, we shipped to Canada, we've had inquiries to ship to London, and that's not counting, of course, all of these 50 states here. So just thank you guys, and I hope everybody has a good start to 2019. With that being said, I've got my work cut out for me because some of 2018's problems kind of, well, they're just kind of hanging out right now. And if you looked around the pick room, you wouldn't think that there were any issues. Let me give you guys a quick peek at my table. That's the business table where everything happens. And you would think that everything was fine, but let me show you. What you guys see here is a mess, to put it lightly. And I'm just gonna take a step over this way so you can see what's behind me. Now, boxes open are bad. Boxes and rations that are sealed are good. So if you take a look again at the table, you see a lot of rations that are open. So let me show you a couple of other boxes. Luckily, everything here is on wheels, and I had to move a lot of other rations out of the way. Well, what's that box right there? It's got some tape on it. And if you take a look down, let me show you, there's more than one or two. So some of the rations got through with an inspection, and they said everything was fine, and they sent them through. And then I have all of these that had items removed, and then we got this. So this is being returned, and we keep going. But in the meantime, I've got another big box that I gotta return, and it's in the pick room. So we're back here in the pick room, and I've got this box here. Of course, it's very heavy. What is this, you say? Ammo cans. These ammo cans did not meet our specifications, so we sent them back to the vendor, who refused them, and we got a surprise box in the mail, which is these. Which is this box coming back at us. The ammo cans are a bit too rusty for us to use. We only purchased the best ammo cans, and those are the ones with no rust, that look nice enough for us to put our rations in to sell. So when we got these rusty ammo cans, and there's a little rust here and there, I didn't like them, and neither did Art. So we will probably have to keep these, being that the vendor refused them back, and we'll figure out what we're going to do with them. But for now, they're in my way. At least we got a refund. And as always, I got a ton of mail from you guys, and I originally wanted this video to be a mail call video, so I could just go over some of the emails you guys sent me, but it didn't work out that way because I've got a lot of other work I gotta do. But hopefully on the next video, I will be able to share with you all the emails that I received from you guys. So that's another sneak peek of behind the scenes with Nina. Any volunteers who want to come over to help, please let me know in the comments section. We got a lot to do.